Koh Tao, and today we're gonna snorkel with the blacktip shark. This is a famous area here in Koh Tao where you can see a lot of blacktip sharks, especially in the morning till 10 o'clock. You can see a lot of them. Well, today we are here in the evening, so you need to drive to the Rocky Hotel and then go to the restaurant there. You can climb the stairs there. You need to walk or swim all the way to this beach, or all the way, it's about, I don't know, 20 meters. We just were at the resort, the Rocky Resort, and if you go to the restaurant, there's a stairs you can see behind us, and there you can go in the water and go to the beach. There is no other way to go to the beach. The current is kind of strong, and so therefore take off your clothes and walk to the beach. It's your only way to go to Shark Bay, but let's go to Shark Bay.
How about to the right then?
Or you can just climb up here, but watch out for all the nails. Okay, because I just climb up here. I don't see any seahawks here, but I'm just afraid that I'm gonna step on one because I bare feet it. So if you can push yourself up, I think you gotta do that. And then you're here. So let's go. So we're back in our hotel now. Today we swam with the blacktip sharks, and yeah, we saw one really up close. I was just swimming, snorkeling, and one came up out of nowhere. I think if we were there a bit longer, we were there like 50 minutes, 15, not 50, and we saw one already. So if you are snorkeling longer, I think you can see more blacktip sharks. You need to swim, yeah, quite far. You have the line with the boats and you gotta swim past that, and that is about 30 minutes of snorkeling, swimming, but we took longer because we filmed a lot. Yeah, so there was a bit of a current, so that's why we took longer to go to there and go back. So if you are early in the morning and if you swim directly to the place where you can see the blacktip sharks, you can see really a lot. We talked to people and it's a very, very nice place, and it is safe to swim with them. So yeah, I would really recommend doing it. We're very happy that so much of you are following us now. So please, if you're not following us,